Hello everyone, I am Smith. In this video, we will talk about top 10 interesting facts about Earth. So, let's start the video. Planet Earth, that shiny blue marble that has fascinated humanity since they first began to walk across its surface. And why shouldn't it fascinate us? In addition to being our home and the place where life as we know it originated, it remains the only planet we know of where life thrives. And over the course of the past few centuries, we have learned much about Earth, which has only deepened our fascination with it. So, here are the list of top 10 interesting facts about Earth. 1. Earth is 4.5 billion years old. How do we know this? In order to find out the age of the Earth, scientists look at rock and sediment and tried to determine the age of that piece of sediment. It's not as easy as one may think. However, the processes of plate tectonics mean that the Earth is constantly recycling its rock. 2. Plate tectonics keep the planet comfortable. Earth is the only planet in the solar system with plate tectonics. Basically, the outer crust of the Earth is broken up into regions known as tectonic plates. These are floating on top of the magma interior of the Earth and can move against one another. 3. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. When astronauts first went into the space, they looked back at the Earth with human eyes for the first time. Based on their observations, the Earth acquired the nickname the Blue Planet. And it's no surprise, seeing as how 70% of our planet is covered with oceans. The remaining 30% is the solid crust that is located above sea level, hence why it is called the continental crust. 4. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. The other 7 planets in our solar system are all named after Roman gods or goddesses, although only Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn were named during ancient times, because they were visible to the naked eye. The Roman method of naming planets was retained after the discovery of Uranus and Neptune. 5. The Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. This varies according to the part of the planet. For example, the metallic core is denser than the crust. The average density of the Earth is approximately 5.52 grams per cubic centimeter. 6. 360 tons of cosmic dust fall to Earth daily. Cosmic dust sounds magical, but chances are you've inhaled a good amount of it just on your way to work. On a daily basis, dust from meteorites, comets, and other solar bodies fall to Earth in tiny particles that increase the levels of sodium and iron in the planet's atmosphere. Scientists studying the phenomenon estimate that altogether, about 60 tons of cosmic dust is falling to Earth daily. 7. Earth has a spare tire. Just like you or me, the planet is a waste linear and it bulges a bit around the middle. Adding to this is the melting ice from Antarctica and Greenland, which adds water to the oceans that are pulled towards the equator. 8. Earth's surface is recycled. The Earth might seem solid and permanent, but it actually goes through a full regeneration process every 500 million years or so as tectonic plates butt into each other. Oceanic crust is pressed under continental crust, creating pressure that fuels the world's volcanoes. 9. Earth is not a perfect sphere. The Earth is obviously not flat, but it's not exactly round, either. It's more of a squashed sphere, because when it spins, gravity pushes in and centrifugal force pushes out. It creates what Scientific American calls a sphere that is squashed at its poles and swollen at the equator. 10. Earth is a fast-moving spacecraft. We're living in a big, fast-moving, really fast spacecraft. Even when you're resting on your armchair, you're flying through space faster than the fastest human-made object ever built, around 1.3 million miles per hour, 2.1 million km per hour. If you like this type of content, then please subscribe us for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video.